What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga kapuso at mga kaayos. We are going to do a reaction for Super Voices! Yes, ng All Out Sundays with their Glock 9 medley. Oh my God, magra-rap ba tayo for today's video? Yan ang ating aabangan, how they will rearrange. Ito yung gusto ko sa segment na ito ng All Out Sundays, yung arrangement and of course the vocals of these amazing singers ng All Out Sundays. So excited tayo dyan, but before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Uy, nandito ang The Voice Kids. So yun ang mga singers na Thea ang una. Grabe yung harmonization ni Arabel. Ganda ng harmony. Wow. Oh my God. Bugahan. Oh! Thea rapping! Hey! Oh my God, they're doing rapping! Whoa! Oh my God! Hey! Wow, powerful vocals. Woo, Thea! Oh. Whoa! Wow! Oh my God. Uminom sila na marami oxygen for today's video. That vocal flair, the lung power is so good. Oh my God, Maring Jessica and John Rex. God. Magdalena ba to, guys? I'm not really sure. Eh. Ganda ng kuko ni Jessica. Hindi ko alam to kanta na to ni Glock 9. Kala ko Magdalena. Go! Oh. Grabe ang vocals ng Maring Jessica. Love that growling vocals. Oh! Grabe yung lung power ng Jessica. Hindi rin papahuli si John Rex. Hey! Whoa! Grabe yun! Exceptional vocals, guys. Ay, ito na, The Voice Kids with Jong. Lalaki na ng voice kids, guys.
Kahit sa patalim kumapit,
Galing
isang
ni Neville.
tuka, isang kahig, ang mga kamay na may pahit ng galit. Hari ng tulo, hari ng tulo,
Grabe yung vocal control ni Hebron.
hari ng tulo.
Eh.
Minsan sa isang
Eh! Ang cute! Makmak!
takutan bilang sabihin ang lahat.
Eh!
Di mo'y kagat-kagat kahit
Ang cute ni Makmak! Eh, go Jong! Kayang-kaya ni Jong to. Super versatile yun si Jong. Grabe yung emotion ng vocals ni Jong. Eh! Wow! Grabe na goosebumps ako, guys. Ganda ng counterpart na yun. Grabe yung vocals ni Jong and the emotion. Eh! Oh my God! Ang cute ni Makmak dito, guys. Grabe yung emotion ni Jong. Oh my God! Jenny Sikat, nagbabalik. Charis. Zephany, of course.
Subukan niyo namang tumayo.
Grabe ang Jenny. Jenny na talaga yung tawag ko sa kanya. I love Born to Shine, guys. Promise.
Tunay na kagayan ko.
Whoa! Love that.
Wala siya kumakayo sa loob.
Hey!
Bahay at malawak na bangkuran. Mataas sa pader, pinapaligiran. At ang kabilang mga mamahaling sasakyan. Mga patay na lagi bulong na bulong. Wala namang kasal pero marami ang nakabaro.
Eh, oh my God. Galing din Zephany.
Mga platong kutsara na hindi kilala ang tuto. At ang kanin ay siputi na gatasan ng sakaw. At kahit
Diba? Grabe yung astig. Parang pang fourth uno talaga. Charit.
dahil ang ganyan, sabi pa nila ay dito mo rin matatagpuan ang tao na nagmamayari. Isang upuan na pag may pagkakatao'y pinag-aagawa. Kaya naman, hindi na pinakagawalan. Kung ano
Eh!
naman siya siya ay kasisigawan.
Oh!
Subok na tumayo.
Oh, grabe. Oh my God, grabe yung ano. Oh, grabe yung tough vocal ni Zephany. Grabe ang Jenny Sikat. Grabe. Oh my gosh. There you have it, guys. That is All Out Sunday Super Voices. Grabe naman talaga ang bosesan ng Glock 9 medley nila, guys. Grabe yun. Ay, sobrang tumatak sa akin si Makmak, guys. And of course, the vocal flares and the high notes. Grabe yung arrangement. And nakita niyo naman ang isang Jenny Sikat from Fort Uno. Talaga naman, binigyan na tayo ng spectacular vocal flares. And then we have Maring Jessica and John Rex with that spectacular performance together with Jong and of course, Thea and Arabelle. Grabe! Oh my God, na-miss ko lang wala si Maring Julie for this week, no? So, tingnan natin sa mga susunod na linggo. At parang wala sila Maring Hana. Hindi ko pa sila nakikita sa mga Super Voices episode. Medyo busy siguro siya sa TikTok. TikTok clock ba yun? Yes. Kaya naman, ano masasabi niyo sa performance na ito ng Super Voices? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.